Hi, I started out with my own cleaning business all through college. It was a good way to make a side income, and I quickly realized that it was much more profitable than what I wanted to do with my degree. One late night, I came across an advertisement for how to buy houses with no money down. The thought of that sounded great, so I decided to drop out of college and get into real estate. I took the course and started picking up real estate properties immediately. I made some money, I spent a lot of money. While I was doing the real estate thing, there was a mortgage broker who suggested that I come work for him. It sounded like a great idea to me. What I didn't realize was that in 2007, it really wasn't the right time to become a mortgage broker. I learned all the ins and outs of what it takes to buy a house. I quickly learned that people really needed help understanding the credit game, and I really enjoyed teaching people how the credit system works. And that's why I'm so passionate about teaching people how to look on paper in order to get what they want. After 13 years and analyzing over 6,500 credit reports and making tons of mistakes with my own credit and my finances, I decided to put together a course that teaches both how to handle personal credit, personal finance, business credit, and business finance. I invite you to really pay attention so that you get the most out of this, so you can leave a legacy to your family and beyond. And again, welcome to the Credit Coach family.